Hey guys, this is Myk, and today I would like to show you the system that I use to break down the goals and pain of your ideal customer profile. First, go out and talk to your target audience, identify what is the right company and right title and right person, and identify the target that you want to go after in terms of your customers. But then interview them and understand and structure that feedback in the following way. First, identify their goals. What are your customers trying to achieve? Second, try to outline step-by-step process that your customers have to go through right now to achieve their goal. So outline that. Then identify the pains that this current process actually involves the customer involved in. So outline the pain. Then outline the new process that with your product or with your service that the customer will have to be using, meaning that how that process will change. You wanna outline and show this new process that you're proposing using your product that involves your product or your service. Outline that. Then point the proof points and metrics. What is the measurement that help the customer get understanding whether they're going to be closer to their goal and to understand that you actually helping solving their pain. Then identify discovery questions. And discovery questions are designed to identify the goal that the customers have and identify the pain, because as soon as you identify the pain, then you can talk to them about the value that your product actually provides. And the last one is objections. Outline the objections that your customer have to your product or to a new process or anything that customer can object during the sales process. So with that, I would like to give you my personal example, and it's not going to be perfect, but it will give you some idea of how I myself use this process. Right now, I'm working on a product called Publish Now. Publish Now is a content publishing platform that helps writers and marketers to streamline content creation process as well as improve content engagement, stickiness, and reach. So we interviewed 30 writers and we outlined one of the main goals they have. And the goal they have, generate traffic conversions. Generate traffic and conversions from their content. Then we outlined the process that they have right now when creating this content. So it's typically copy and pasting content from Google Docs. It's connecting bunch of plugins into the WordPress for SEO, for your custom call to actions. Then we outline the pains, and the very simple pain that it's time consuming, you cannot identify who is the influencer, and you cannot get the maximum out of your content. And you want to get maximum out of your content because you invest in it a lot of resources and you want to get as much reach as possible. So then we outline the new process, how our product will fit and solve this pain. And it's very simplified, but basically what we want to do is with one click to allow teams to publish from Google Docs all the way into resources. And then that resource or your blog will have all the tools and all the tools that you need to optimize your content for conversions and growth. Then we outline proof points. How do we want to prove to our customer that our product actually works? And we want to do that with improving SEO rankings to show that the traffic improves with the growth tools and that you can grow more engagement like shares and actually sign ups for your newsletter. Then we outline discovery questions. And for our discovery questions, do you know what content performs better right now? And how do you know that? And how long does it take you to optimize your content right now for conversions? And then we outline the objections. And this is the objections. They're very simple, but objection, switching from one platform to another. The second objection, no budget or no focus on content marketing at all. So this is a process that helps us structure this, and you should do it for every big goal so you can identify every pain for each goal. And then this process will allow you to understand what type of content do you want to write and what story do you want to tell the customer. Because first of all, your now and after process with your product allow you to picture and to bring that promised land to the customer and actually let them picture where they're going to. But there's one secret that I like to leave you, and for those who actually listen to all of this presentation, one thing that actually make you a huge difference. It might be simple, but be with me here. Outline feelings that your customers currently have about this process. Outline the feeling that the customers have about doing something right now, and then outline feeling that you want to bring with your product or your service. Do you want to make them empowered? Do you want to make them more productive? But what feeling? How do you want to make your customer feel? Because often we make decisions based on our emotions and feelings, and then only then we find supporting materials to prove that we made the right decision. So feelings is very important, and it's not very, it might not very logical, but outline what kind of feelings do you want to do. So use this process. I hope it was helpful to you, and if you like it, please recommend and share, and I'll be producing a longer article on ideal customer profile, and I'm also putting together a webinar. So if you're interested, please sign up for my newsletter, like and share this video, and connect with me on Twitter and LinkedIn. Thank you.